Thank you for purchasing a baler manufactured by the PTR Baler and Compactor company. PTR produces the finest quality baler on the market. With proper operational and routine maintenance procedures, this baler will perform dependably for many years of heavy-duty operation at minimal expense. The baler should only be operated by properly trained personnel. This instructional video, coupled with the baler's operational manual, are intended for the personnel who will operate the baler. Both should be reviewed before operating the equipment for the first time, and if any questions occur during use, you must be 18 years old or older to operate this machinery. All our standard PTR vertical balers are UL and ETL, listed for approval. A safety check should be made before beginning any baler operation. Never put your hands or body into the baler. To check the safety features, close the baler chamber door and fully lock it. Then lower the safety gate and turn the power key switch to on. Set the up-down switch to down and press start. Raise the safety gate during the cycle. The ram should stop as soon as the gate is lifted. If the ram does not stop, discontinue use of the baler. Additional safety checks are described on the sign marked "Check before each shift," which is located on the baler gate. For service, please call 1-800-523-1155, which is also the support number shown on the service instructions sticker, located on the side of the baler. Your baler is equipped with safety switches to protect the operators. Do not attempt to defeat the purpose of these important safety devices under any circumstances. In case of emergency, push the red emergency stop button on the baler control panel or pull the disconnect switch handle to cut off all electrical power to the baler. After you determine that the baler is operating properly, you can prepare to make a bale. Prepare as follows. Ensure that the power key is in the off position at the panel. Check that the baler's ram is in the raised position. With the safety gate in its up position, open the chamber door. Make sure the auto eject rod is protruding out of the side of the baler. Place a flat piece of cardboard on the bottom of the chamber, then close the baler chamber door fully. You are now ready to begin baling. Take the following steps to make a bale. Fill the chamber evenly with material. The material does not need to be broken down. If your baler is equipped with an anti-slam stop, carefully pull it out while lowering safety gate all the way down and engage the ram's safety switch. Set the power key switch to the on position. Set the up-down switch to the down position and press the button. The ram will begin to travel down, compressing the material. The ram will reverse when the full down stroke pressure is reached and automatically open the feed gate as the ram ascends to the full up position. The machine is now ready to accept more material. Repeat these steps until the optional full bale indicator light illuminates or the arrows on the ram face and the side wall match each other positionally as the ram reverses. You are now ready to tie off and eject the bale from the machine. This can be accomplished by taking the following steps. With the ram in the up position, insert a flat piece of cardboard on top of the bale. Pull the safety gate completely into the down position. If your baler is equipped with an anti-slam stop, carefully pull it out while lowering the safety gate. When the ram cannot compress any further, press the stop button as the ram reverses direction, then turn the machine off and completely remove the key. Unlatch and open the chamber door more than 90 degrees. slide the baling wire into the slots located in the floor of the baler and back out through the slots in the ram. If you have an auto eject option on your baler, then the wire guides should go from top to bottom. Tie off all of the baling wires securely. Position a skid, hand truck, or forklift in front of the baler opening to receive the bale when it has been ejected. Carefully pull the safety gate all the way down, engaging the ram's safety switch. Be sure the door is open more than 90 degrees. Insert the key again and turn the power switch back to on. Set the up-down switch to the up position. Press and hold the up switch until the bale ejects. Stand clear of the opening while the bale is being ejected. Remove the bale from the front of the baler, then turn the up-down switch to the down position and press the start button. Turn the up-down switch to the up position. Press and hold the start button until the ram is in the raised position. Place another flat piece of the cardboard on the bottom of the chamber. Close the baler chamber door. Now you are ready to make the next bale. Repeat these procedures as they apply to continue bale production. Occasionally, cardboard will become wedged in the ram area. When this occurs, please turn off the power at the disconnect switch and remove the wedged piece of cardboard for continued smooth operation. Keep the baler clean of contaminants at all times. Again, if an emergency occurs requiring the immediate stopping of the baler, please push the large red stop button. When you restart the baler, you must close the safety gate completely and the ram will travel in the direction towards which the up-down switch is turned. If your baler shuts down, check all the interlocks. Make sure the door is shut and the gate is closed. Try running it again. If it still does not function, please call our service department at 1-800-523-1155. For your safety, please use extreme caution when operating this powerful piece of machinery. Bale carefully. Thank you for choosing PTR Baler and Compactor Company.